Hello, and I hope you're doing well. On this third video, I'm going to show you what the basement looks like on this building. And we're going to remodel it, but I'm going to show you what it looks like now. I'm showing you the video on a wide angle lens. If I put it on standard, this is what it looks like. You have this workbench, and then you have the boiler heaters right here, and then you have the gas meter in the middle of the house, which I don't like. It takes a lot of space. Perhaps we can put that somewhere on the left side by the wall. Here are the electric panels, and I think the whole house needs to be rewired, so we're gonna have to change the panels as well. On this floor, we have this raised floor, and this is perhaps so they can put the washer. And there's no dryer, but I think it used to be right here because there's the vent on that side, and there's another vent right here. Perhaps they had two dryers. And you also have three sources of water running here. And there's a gas line there. And I think there's probably another one on this side. I'm not sure. No, I think that's it. So the dryer was on the right. There's another gas line right there running down. So we're probably just gonna put one efficient washer and dryer, perhaps stackable, so it doesn't take a lot of space. And this whole space can be used more efficient. And then this is where perhaps at one point people were living in here, because I see there's a gas line right here. So perhaps there was maybe a small kitchen, and I like the wallpaper. It looks like a waterfall somewhere. And then since this building has radiators, you have these pipes running all around the basement where we want to take them off. And let me put it on a wide angle instead so you can see it better. That's what it looks like. Then you have the bathroom. There's the toilet right there. And there's a shower in here. So if I open this door, you have the hole right there, shower head up here. And there's plenty of space. But since this floor has been raised, I think it's older, so it's kind of caving in. So we need to get rid of that. There's a tub in here in the basement. He hasn't been used in a while because it's dried. And then there's a sliding door with mirrors on it, so that's pretty cool. And then the furnace is back there. We need to move that out of the way. And then we'll take this off and make that maybe a bedroom, or maybe just leave it as is, empty, so we can actually use it for entertainment. You have another entrance, which is pretty cool. So if you want to invite people over, they don't have to go through upstairs down to this floor. And you have plenty of light coming through. You have several windows all around. Then lastly, you have this space, so you can store away stuff. So let me show you what it looks like from far. And that's what it looks like. So we're gonna fix it up slowly. This is the basement, or the lower level. So the other two videos are for the first floor, the second floor. And then the videos are gonna be a series on how we're fixing it slowly. Coming up next, demolition. We'll be ripping out the old to make room for the new. We'd love for you to come back and follow along as we continue this transformation. I hope this video helps you in any way. Thank you for watching and enjoy.